how to customize your emojis on Snapchat. So please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads on this channel. So we are here on our phone, and of course we will be opening our Snapchat. So once we have opened our Snapchat, get rid of that. Click on the chat icon on the bottom left. So once you have done that, click on your profile. After that, once you're in your profile, you can go to the settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. And then go to manage under additional services. So just click that. And you may see these things. Once you have been here, you can click on friend emojis. And after that, by clicking the friend emojis, go to snap streak. That is encircled by the red pen. That is with the demon or red face emoji. And then you can go here where you can choose the emoji of your choice. And that's it for this tutorial. So I hope this helps. See you on the next video.